Hello, so we're going to see how to use the Dropzone plugin for Appgini. So we'll go to download the plugin here. Okay. So once you've purchased the plugin, so you can just come to this link here. Then you can purchase it from this link. Then log in after purchasing. Successful purchase. You can log in. Then you can download it. So we just proceed to download the plugin here. So this you download it to your projects folder. So I have my project folder here called Dropzone demo. So I will just download it directly inside the project folder. Okay, save it there. Then, so you can see my project is here. So I have two tables in this project. I have users and products table. So in this users table, I want to have the drop zone for user photo. So I want the user to be able, when you're adding a user, you'll be able to drag and drop an image here as well. For products, I want to have product images you drag and drop here. So from this, you can check on this product description right here. So we have instructions of how to install the plugin. So far we have already downloaded the plugin to our project folder. So and we have the fields. You identify the fields that we want. So I want to note that the fields should be text area. So like for example, this one. You see this one is a text area in Appgini. Text area is a text data type text and text area. So that's for the purpose of holding, because the product paths will be very large and they need to be stored inside this text area. Okay, so that's why we have the text area for all the images you want to use here. So for example, if you have an image field, like let's say image, and you want to convert it to a text area, so see by default it's selected as an image right here. So you will be wondering how you could convert it to, because if you try to change here, here to text, so you see still an image right here. So all you can do is just come here and reset, click OK, then it will be back to link, then you can have text area there. Okay, so that was just an example to show you if you have a default image for Appgini, you can now set it to have a text area like these two. So you see product images is a text area, the users is a text area here. So what we'll proceed to do is we'll go and extract the zip file that we've downloaded in our project folder. So if you come in here, you look at the Dropzone demo here. So you will see the Dropzone for Appgini has been downloaded. This right here. So we'll just extract it. So you can extract it directly inside, or you can just have its own folder, like I'm going to do here, so that you can easily manage it. So I've extracted it in its own folder so that you can easily see the files in here. So all I have to do is copy this folder here. So there's a folder called Dropzone Manager, this one. So I just copy it and paste it in the main folder there. Then, or to make it easy, let's just redo it. Delete this. So let's just extract this thing inside the main folder, extract files. Okay. No, not there. You'll say extract here. Yes, extract here. This will just extract everything inside this. So you can delete this one for now. Then after extracting, now we can just go to the installation instructions on this other side. So we have already identified. So let's start with the users table, for example. We want to install this on this user photo field. Okay, so you just come here and you see extract. So we have already done this. So we want to do this. Locate the Dropzone manager for Appgini, this from the extract files, and copy to the hooks. So here we come here. So you can do it inside here. So let's just open my project here. So you see they've said we have to Dropzone manager for Appgini. That's it. So here it is. So just cut it and put it in the hooks folder. Paste it in the hooks folder. So it's in the hooks folder. So the next step is the header extras code. So open the header extras code file located in your Appgini project folder, copy all the contents into the hooks header extras.php, paste whatever. So we're going to look for this file called header extras code here. We'll find it here. So they've said we just copy everything in the header extras code and come to Appgini header extras here and paste. So we pasted here. So if you have any other code here, you just paste below it inside. So the extras code, we have pasted it right there. So you see it references to the hooks Dropzone manager. So that's why we started with the Dropzone manager first, placed it in the hooks. Then this header extras code references to it. Okay, now we are done with that. Step 2. So then the last step is open the table dv.js located in your Appgini folder, copy its contents, navigate to hooks, table dv.js. So we are going to create, for example, we have our users file here. So we will, by default, you don't have those JavaScript hooks or tables. If you have it, you can proceed. But if you don't have it, like ours, we're going to create customizable.js. Okay. So you look for the template code called table dv. So it should be somewhere here. Table dv here. Here it is. This is the code that you copy and go to our users dv. Okay. So users dv is here. So we will modify this code accordingly. So it has several parameters. The first one references to the file manager that is handling this. Okay, so this one is not, you do not change it. So the table name for a case is user. So you can change this to be the table name that you want. Then the field name, you can see the field name for this is called user photo. So you just say I want to call it user photo. Not call it, it's called like that. So here you can change the label. So like say upload user photo. You can change this label here. So image, so here we want only allow images. So by default, I've pressed several extensions here, but you can remove them and just have image alone. Okay. So drag and drop image here, or click to select image. This is the message on the drop zone itself. So the remove button label, you can change this one if you want to. So max file size. So this I want 20 MB, or you can just say 10 MB is maximum size. Then remove. Okay, you can add and remove links. So clickable true. Then I only want one file for this. Don't want the user to upload more than one file for this. Then the file prefix. So file prefix means how your file will be renamed, how it starts with, whatever it starts with. So here just say user photo. Okay, so this is the prefix for this file. So it will start with user photo, then some other characters there. So this is it. Then you just save this file here. So this is for the users table. Okay, if you go back to our Appgini application here and click here, you can now see you have the drop zone here to upload an image. Okay, so let's just test, put an email there, then let's select a photo. We can go to our photos, maybe here, select just a photo, any photo. So the photo will be uploaded here. So all you have to do is save new. Okay, so you see the photo is saved, and now all the files that are uploaded will be shown here. Okay, so you can delete the file. Yeah, then we'll ask you to confirm if you want to delete or not. Then you can view it. So if you click here, you can view the file that was uploaded, or you can download it. Let's say you want to download this file, maybe it's always on a server and you want to download it somewhere else. You can just click there, it will come to download that photo. Okay, so as you can see, the user photo prefix has been appended to it because we specified it right here. Okay, so that's as simple as that. In like three steps, you followed 3 steps, 4 steps if you want to say: extraction, copying this Dropzone manager, the extras code, copying it into the extras in the hooks, then modifying the table dv.js file. So we'll just do the same thing for products. Okay, yeah, because remember we had 2 things, so we just create products. dv.js. Then we just copy template code there, copy it, put it inside here. Copy this, place it inside here. So this one remains unchanged. So here our table is products. Field name is called, the field name for this now is called product images. So we just change that to product images. Product images. Then upload images. You can change the label here to images. Images also here we need only images. But if your field expects several other files like zip file, PDF, CSV, and docs, you can leave this one by default. But for now, we just leave that. Drag and drop images, so we can rename this one. Okay, images. So this one remains that. So we can say number of files now. User can upload up to 10 files on this thing. So say product images. Okay, so a user can upload. If they upload more than 10, then those won't be uploaded. So for now, let's just go to the products table and see if it's applicable. We can go here, add new. You can see now. So we can just say test product. The price is there. Then let's go and select, several images for this product. Okay. So we will just go to select just some random images here. Let's use these ones for now. Okay, those are 3 images just for experimental purposes. Then you can see they have been uploaded. You can remove it if you want to remove it from the upload. Then you can just save. Okay, and you'll see the images will be shown right here. You can view each of the images if you want to. View like that. So there's one issue now on the detail view. Okay, if you come here on the table view, you can see how the images are stored. That's why we wanted to have a text area to store these parts, but they're separated by a comma. Each image part is separated by a comma. You can see you have a comma here, another comma here. So that's how they're stored. So typically you would want to hide these fields on table view, add in table view, add in table view, so that you don't have those ugly image paths being shown on the table view here. Okay, so that's it. Then you just refresh here, you'll see now they're not there anymore. But if you go to the detail view, you can see the files uploaded here. So this could be any files, any file type that you want. You can add or remove files if you wish. So let's say if you delete this file here, all you have to do is save changes. If you don't save changes, it will not be removed from the database. Okay, the file path will be there, but it's deleted from the file storage, but on the database is still there. So you have to save changes so that it gets removed from the database as well. Okay, so and that's it. So we have 2 product images here. And that's simply how you can use the Dropzone plugin for Appgini to upload multiple files. Okay, so in future we could add a feature where if you want to, because currently the images are being uploaded inside the uploads folder. There's a new uploads folder that is created. Then the Dropzone manager folder here. So all these images are uploaded in this Dropzone manager folder. This, okay. So in future maybe we have requests for creating, like, if you want these product images to go in a different folder in the uploads, so you could be able to provide the image upload folder on this field, for example. So the same table could have different uploads, but they are stored in different folders. I mean, that's a possible feature that we could add in future. But for now, that's as simple as it is. Now you see we have an easy to use interface for us to drag and drop multiple images in Appgini. By default, Appgini doesn't provide this. So you see it becomes a bit problematic if you want to handle multiple uploads in the same field. Okay, if you want to add multiple other images here, you can just simply select them, add all of them there, then save changes. That's it, and you can see your images or your files that you've uploaded there. You can view them. Also, you can rearrange the order if you want to have this at the top, have this here. You can rearrange them and save changes. Okay, that See, this one now is here. That's it. So these files are stored on your storage. Okay. So uploads here, you go to uploads, browser manager here, you find all those files that you uploaded pretty much inside there. So that's it. The plugin is only $30 and it's only one-time fee, and you get lifetime updates on it. So you don't have to renew it every time. Just purchase once and get updates all the time. Thank you.